Hello everyone. Good morning. This is the second part of why you should choose one specific niche for each channel that you create. Now, I kind of went a little bit long on the last video I just made, and so I'm just extending the video because it's important to choose a specific niche for each channel that you create. You should always have a main channel, all right, and then expand it to an extension to other different niches that you want to talk about. That way the YouTube algorithm doesn't get confused and your SEO and your tags won't get mixed up. You know, it's a clean way of making sure that your channel is going to operate correctly. And to get more views and to get more subscribers, this is the best way to do it. All right. Like, for instance, I do have my mindset channel that you're watching right now, but I have a specific extension channel about my crochet channel. Specifically, only targets to the right audience of people that wanting to learn how to crochet. That's the target that I'm reaching for that specific channel. An extension to my crochet channel, I'm going to tag along my music channel, but I am not working on that right now. Hopefully I will in the future. Just to let everybody know, it is very, very difficult creating multiple channels. Every channel that you got to create, because I have to create videos on this channel, and then I got to create videos on the other channel. So it takes a lot of my time. And not only that, I do have a business on the side with my crafts, and I do craft shows. I kind of put it on hold right now for this past month, but I'm going to start selling next month. But when I don't sell, I am actually making more products, because I always run out of products, and then I have customers that have orders from me. So I am just busy, and I work 2 days a week at the hospital. So you know, it's a lot of time consuming, and it's a lot of dedication. You got to have consistency, persistent, making videos all the time, especially if you are desiring to make money on YouTube. You're going to have to actually be patient with yourself, because it takes time to grow your channel. It takes time to monetize your channel, but you have to have that drive. You got to act on it, and you got to keep focusing, pressing forth, going for your goals, what your dreams are. Now, as a YouTuber, my dream is to get an extension to all my multiple channels. Today, you know, in the environment out there, because of the COVID and because of all those diseases out there, you know, it's not safe wherever you go. So I'm one of them that want to be self-employed. I'm going to retire soon. And when I hit 65, I got 5 more years, but I want to retire soon, and I want to do this full time. So I'm starting right now, establishing my short-term goals into a long-term goal career in the future. Self-employed as a millionaire, mentor, way of lifestyle, the way I think, how to improve my abilities and just to, you know, just to strive to be an overcomer, an achiever, and be more serious into learning and growing about how to market myself. And I do want to take some marketing courses, and I want to actually in the future create some online courses with my crafts. And not only that, try to put a online course with the mindset and coaching style. So those are long-term future goals, but I'm not there right now. So I'm taking one step at a time. It takes time to grow, and I'm taking my time. Choose a specific niche when you create a channel. All right. You don't want too many stuff in your main channel. Okay. If you have more than one talent, you know, think of other niches and try to do the best you can to create videos because it does take time. The more multiple channels that you make, you're going to have to make multiple videos, of course. But the multiple channels, is only if you have the ability to be able to do that. Now, just don't do it if you don't have multiple things, like separate niches that you're not good at. Okay, if you're just good at one niche, just stick with it because the better for you. But if you have like a craft or other different business, or maybe you have a hobby, something that is simple to create an extension with your main channel will be the best thing for you. All right, guys, this is the second part of why you should choose a specific channel every time you create one. All right, everyone. And also, if you guys are interested, check out my Etsy shop. I have a journal planner where you can plan your goals. You can actually write them down. It's very important to have that vision first before you plan to create your YouTube channel. So there's a link below. I'll talk to you all soon, and have a great day. Smash that like button, comment, and leave your likes. Make sure you press that like button. A lot of people miss pressing that like button. And also watch my videos and all my suggested videos. I want you to watch them because they will be good for you in your life and in the right mindset. All right, take care, everybody. Subscribe to my channel, and I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.